What's happening? Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and today I'm going to be wrapping a piece of the rear mount exhaust system for my Mustang. I got some stuff in the mail, some V-bands, a Y pipe to connect the X pipe together, and all that's going to be in a whole nother video. It's a busy weekend, so today just wrapping this exhaust. So this is kind of like a how-to, so if you want to know, stay tuned. He done burned the tires off that sucker, but I damn almost missed half of it because I was trying to run and grab the camera. All right, so I thought I'd do a unboxing here. This box is from Amazon. You can see it's my first time opening it. Open her up. This is just a Y pipe, so nothing special. Just something I thought that maybe I could use for the build. It might make my life a little bit easier. It's from MagnaFlow, and I mean, it feels pretty good, and inside of it actually looks pretty smooth. The transitions all look smooth. Feels good, yeah. So it's not mandrel bent, but it doesn't have any crimps in it. So yeah, I'm gonna use this to connect my two X pipe flow tubes, and then this pipe will go to the turbo. This box right here is metal zip ties, and it says to touch this stuff, no instructions, and it's just some exhaust wrap. Now I've seen where you soak them, and I'm pretty sure this is titanium wrap. So I'm gonna wrap this piece right here. I do need to weld a V-band right here, but I'm only gonna wrap up to this thing right here, so as you can see, it's not very far. It came with these handy gloves. Sorry about the camera angle, it's gonna have to do for now. These gloves are actually ain't bad. I guess this is to protect from the fiberglass. So this will be a learning experience for me, and if you've never done it, I guess it might help you out. Flip this tube up like this, and wrap. See, that's why you keep it rolled up tight. It's easier to do. I'm gonna go right up to the V-band on this one. Get it nice and tight. And then I'm gonna lap it 50% on the way down. Wow, this is a lot harder than it looks. I'm almost thinking that I need to clamp it. Go ahead and get a wrap on it and then clamp it. That way it doesn't move on me. Alright, so I've got this wrapped around to start off with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, because you're supposed to have a special tool for these. I'm going to cut it right here. Small ones or ones like this. And I'm going to take it, get a hold of it, and bend it, roll it in, and that's the first one. Then I'm going to take it and squeeze it, and I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to take it and roll it in. Like I said, I keep this thing rolled. That way I can keep my wrap good and tight. Overlapping 50% the whole time. Alright guys, I know this wasn't a whole entertaining video, it was just me wrapping exhaust, but I think it turned out really nicely. So here's the pipe. As you can see, this end goes over the rear axle. here's the V-band on this side. This side goes towards the turbo, and this is right next to the fuel tank. It's pretty close. I got everything tucked up really tightly, so I got it as tight as I could. I got everything wrapped in there as nicely as I could. And so this is what you're gonna see driving behind my car, is this exhaust wrapped piece, and then this beautiful V-band. Kind of hides my welds, but it is what it is. Like I said, this is life in a Mustang. I'm building a rear mount turbo Mustang back there. It's 2001. I've had the car since it was brand new off the showroom floor. It means the world to me, and want a little power. Yes, I'm building a 2-valve. Not only am I just slapping the turbo out back because it's easier and cheaper, I also have manly rod, manly crank, manly pistons, and all the ARP hardware. So if this does build a decent amount of boost, no matter what, after this is done, I might cruise it for a little bit and then pull the motor out, and we're gonna go ahead and go forged. And if I need to get some forward-facing headers, and this isn't ideal, but I think it'd be cool, and it actually does look kind of cool behind the car, especially when the pipe's all cleaned up. So stay tuned for more. I'm Dustin. I'll catch you later. Peace.